In this video, I'll detail how to turn on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can always turn on all the iPhone 12 series following the process I'm about to share with you in this video. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To turn on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is come here and press the side button. Just press and hold it. And once you see the Apple logo appears, then let it go. This might take like 3 to 4 seconds, pressing the side button before you could see the Apple logo. And once the Apple logo appears, it's going to last for additional 5 to 8 seconds before you be taken to the home screen. So while on the home screen, just swipe up and type in your iPhone passcode. Then that's it. So that's how to turn on your iPhone 12 and all the iPhone 12 series. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.